Hi, so this is how you do the student work. Okay, so this is, it says amazing philosophers. And what it wants you to do is you're going to be completing a maze. You're going to start here and you're going to finish in this area right here, okay, where it says finish. What you do is you read the quote and then you determine, is this Machiavelli in this particular case, or is this Montesquieu? And how I will know where you went is you can number this, right? Or you can come up here and you can draw an arrow showing me the direction that you went. Whichever one works for you is fine with me, okay? Pretty simple. If you need help, just remember, go back to the reading that's also assigned to this particular student work, and that will help you greatly. On the next part, what it's doing is it's giving you an excerpt from different things: Constitution, Thomas Jefferson's first inaugural address, so on and so forth. And what it's asking you to do upon reading that particular excerpt is which philosopher influenced that particular passage. And then it says identify the government concept from the reading that the passage reflects. Okay, governmental concept. So you'll put the name of the philosopher here, and then the governmental concept that this supports right here. Okay, do that for each of these 5 excerpts. And then C is asking you to read the statement. Okay, so in this case, the president should be able to make any laws that he or she thinks is a good idea. And then you're going to pick a philosopher that would agree with that statement and then explain why they would agree with it. And then one that would disagree, and then why they would disagree with it. Make sure that you're paying attention. The thumbs up means they agree. The thumbs down means they disagree. Don't accidentally reverse those, okay? All right, this last question, or it's not really a question, but it's the last part of the assignment, this is an excerpt from the Declaration of Independence. And what I would like you to do is highlight phrases or sentences that illustrate each of the ideas that are listed at the very bottom of this page. And what you're going to do is create an annotated key to mark where each idea is found. And then it says answer the questions on the next page, but you don't have to do that part, okay? All right, so here's our annotated key. What we're dealing with here is equality, consent of the governed, social contract, natural rights, rule of law, right to revolution, and then popular sovereignty. So I want you to select a highlighter. I want you to select the group of words here, and you can see it's highlighted. You can do the same thing again here, and then what you can do in this box right here, highlight color, is you can just change it to something different. Okay? And you'll have to pick a different color each time, so don't reuse the same color. Or if you do reuse the same color, make sure it's an obviously different shade, which can be done, but there we go. And then what you do, once you've changed all of these to different colors, as you're reading through this, when you come across certain things, you will highlight it. And so I'm going to take the easy way out here, and I'm going to look at the natural rights. So the natural rights were life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Okay. It says unalienable rights. Okay, boom. Among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Now it's supposed to be that pinkish color, so make sure that you use the appropriate color. And then we'll go with pursuit of happiness. Boom. All right, and that's what you do. Again, you don't have to go down here and then answer these questions. You can if you want. It's not required. It's not going to count as extra credit, anything like that. And this last page, I just please don't do it. All right? If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Thank you.